Hi Stampin' friends, tonight we're going to use the Attention Shoppers bundle, which has the shopping cart, the wine bottle, the birthday cake, the little bag, the bouquet, and a plant with just for you, happy birthday, thanks, treat yourself, and shopping is always a good idea. Then the paper actually goes with a different bundle, but I like the idea of putting it together. So this package, this part of the paper has a variety of different designs that make sense with going shopping. Like you might buy flowers, you might buy a bushel basket or a bag of things, flowers again, another kind of flowers, and then this side has vegetables and tomatoes and more flowers. So then the other side of the paper is this brown wood grain, kind of a tiny, yeah, there we go, a tiny garden green. I showed you this one already, the back side of that one. And then this is the back side of this with just a little kind of a both probably peach pie and pumpkin pie dot. And then this side is a nice plaid, which I really like. And this side is a nice garden green plaid of this one, so very pretty. The first things that I wanted to do was kind of play with it. Imagine whether my shopping cart was like a silver foil, like cutie pie silver foil, or, you know, maybe you're a Target shopper or Trader Joe's and you've got the red basket with maybe silver on the bottom. So I thought those were super cute. And one thing I should have done was probably use more of a variety of different colors of papers, because I did stick with the paper and maybe that wasn't the way to go. But anyway, I first stamped them in black, kind of considered my options on that. Just little cute little flowers. And then I think I should have stamped the flowers in maybe the color instead of the papers, because I think that might have been a better look. So let's see here what all my choices can be here, putting this together. I used several current things, like this is one that I really liked. And then this is the one that goes with, you know, dies that work with other things. I just really like to use with this as well. I did some cutting out on my different, you know, varieties of things that are in the paper. Now this one doesn't make a lot of sense. I think what you'd need to do with this is stamp on it and color it so that it would look like it was down in the bag. So, and I think that I actually have purchased now, because I got to thinking, I kind of want that. I think I did purchase the garden items. So that'll be something that I might do then, because see what I'm talking about here. If you put the bell pepper inside there, it's not really looking like it's in the bag. It looks like it's out of the bag. So there's that. But these others certainly would be cute with some things, either flowers or whatever, popping outside of the bag. And then I wanted to do a couple of different fun folds. So I hope you're up for that tonight. I did like a little Z fold. You know, I just can't help but do a Z fold sometimes because they're so quick and easy. This is the one where you score it 5 1/2 and then score it 2 3/4. And you've basically done the same thing with this one, but you're folding it the other way and cutting it down to 1 inch. Then I like to put some paper under here. You can use the same to kind of keep it looking similar, or you could, instead of using this one, you might use a small piece of a different paper. The florals here, and then inside here. So anyway, just a kind of a way to put this together. Then I was thinking you might put, I'm going to go ahead and glue these down if you don't care, or stick them down, however you want to say it. I'm just going to put my adhesive here, top and bottom, and you could do it down the sides, whichever, and put it right on there. And then I'm going to put this here. You can see this is the back side of the little bags print. I'm going to have to scooch it just a little. I got a little bit carried away there. And then this one I'm going to put over here like that. Okay. And then what I think is great about this, the way this goes together, is I think this kind of brings out all the colors here in that, or you could use a basket of some vegetables, just whichever. And then I'm going to go ahead, pop this on here. So I'm going to put my adhesive along here. Now this is only 1.25 inches wide, so I'm wanting to be careful to not get, not make a mess. And then I'm going to put my adhesive on the back side of this one so that I get it right before I go down with it. So I'm just going to put this here along the bottom. Get it straight before I push it down. There we are. I'm going to open this up. Put it there. Make sure I can get it smushed down. And then you can see how easy that is to get it in your regular medium envelope. So then I've got a lot of choices to make here. I can put a treat yourself right across this bottom part. Whoops, I wanted to put my little thing there. And I can put something else there maybe later, I don't know. But I do want to put this on there. And my adhesive down it. And I realized that what I meant to do was actually stamp I was thinking about this one. What I meant to do was stamp my treat yourself in my pool party so I could use it with my blue things. But we'll get to it eventually. I'll get it done before I post. So then maybe treat yourself right there could be cute. Oh, and especially since I've got ink on the back side of that, not good. Fine, I'm gonna see if I can see it from the back. Oh, I can't. That completely covers it up. So there you can see how that looks when it's set up. Super easy. That right there. So then maybe putting a one of our little purple bags right here would be cute. And then there actually is, and I should have cut it out, that's what I'll stuff in there, a purple thing of flowers, and that would have probably been prettier there. So that, I think I'm just gonna plan to put that right there. There we are. And then on the inside, I was thinking maybe a happy birthday, something like that, or shopping is always a good idea. And then what would be nice is to have have this just stuck down barely at the bottom. And you could put a gift card in there. I think that would be super sweet. Or you could make a pocket for your gift card. Super cute. So I think this is super simple and could be a lot of fun to put various things in there. You could also, instead, if you wanted to put this, put your happy birthday cake right there. And that would be super cute. And I can't decide if I would rather have it stamped in the black or if I'd rather have it stamped in the orange. It's kind of hard to decide sometimes on some of this. So you can see how simple that is. It's like, here's your flowers in the field. You've picked them. It's a happy birthday situation. So I'm going to just set that aside. I may need my birthday though, so I'm going to put that over here and keep it. Okay, so then I was thinking the main color in this paper is the garden green. And almost anything looks good with it, frankly. All of the pieces kind of blend with the garden green. So certainly these pieces with the vegetables look great. With the tomatoes look great. And whoops-a-daisy. And of course this one looks nice. I do not think that would be very great. I don't think that one would be pretty, but several of them would be. And then this is kind of the one that I thought might be the cutest. These punches confuse me. I apologize if I am using one that is a wrong size because lately it is kind of hard to tell what is still current and what is not. Okay, so what I was thinking here, let's just kind of pop this up on white to make it show. Now, if you like this color back here, it could be pretty to put it on either beige, or because see, this is a little light, but I tried this with the petal pink. That also is not the perfect match for that. So something to think about there. Then you could put your little bottle in there, whichever one you think looks cute. And I would probably put some yellow on the top to mimic gold. And then maybe a little basket of treats. Maybe put some flowers. And then the shopping is always a good idea. So just kind of like you've gone to basically Trader Joe's, gotten yourself some flowers and a treat and all the things to make yourself, you can put this one would be really cute in there as well. Kind of matches a little bit. And to make yourself a fun dinner and stuff. So super cute on that, I think. And well, actually, I was meant to use this one. I had meant to put that little guy in there. So it's kind of more along the lines of the tomatoes. But basically, if you give someone a gift card to, like, maybe Trader Joe's, maybe a local nice grocery store that you like, something like that, you know, Whole Foods, Sprouts, whatever. That would be a cute way to give it to them and make it fun. Or maybe you were going to have a girls' day and go shopping, that kind of thing. All right, so my next thing was to just use, well, this is just a square card. You know, these are so simple, 4 1/4 square. So the width, of course, is 8 1/2, and then scored at 4 1/4, 4 1/4 wide, and then just, you know, kaleidoscopingly smaller in there for our layers. Then maybe you would just, I'm gonna do another little squeegee here. I'm going to do these guys. This is the one I wanted. And have my little, actually I think I'm going to do this one. A little circle of that. And then I'm going to take this layer underneath, as we've all done for millions of years. Pop that under it in the pumpkin pie. Oh, I didn't mean to throw it away though. Put it back under there. Because then once you've gotten yourself at least that far in, no one will even see that you've punched underneath. So maybe like that. Very simple. And this would be a perfect place to put your basket of veggies or something. Have them kind of falling out. I love the bushel basket for the veggies. Now, I think the lettuce is strangely large. I would not put it in there. But, and this is from the other package of stuff. Then there is an onion and 2 different kinds of beets. And there's the red beet, purple beet, and that. And so this just makes something like, you could say, you know, thank you for your hospitality, something like that. We don't have a stamp for it, but you know, you can figure it out. And then I also think this would be cute to just, we won't be able to see this one again, but to just put your present on there and do your happy birthday, or same token, do your cake and your happy birthday. Now, let's talk about real quick what we will do to finish off these cards. I have been surprised at the number of things, at the number of embellishments that carried over in this catalog. So for this one, I think even though this is not a perfect match, I think this gorgeous grape embellishment looks really sharp with the Blackberry Bliss. Also, any of the ones that have some silver will look good with these new ones. These are the basic gray and smoky slate pearls. But they would add a little bit of cuteness to the ones that have shine. So something like that could be cute in there. And same with this one. Let's see here. Of course, any red embellishment would look good with this. The one I thought that's kind of unexpected on this, because this is garden green, is to use this spruce. I think that would be actually kind of cute on here, because it just still looks like greenery that you would put on your, you know, like in your cart. Something would be that color green. So, whoa, popping them all around. Anyway, I was thinking, you know, don't forget some of these colors look nice even if they are not exactly. So this is kind of a short one tonight, but I think that there are a lot of possibilities for treating yourself and a lot of different ways to use this paper with different combinations of cute papers and just make it into something really fun. So we did this one, we did the birthday cake, we did the bushel basket, and we did this super easy. We were going to do the happy birthday on here for treat yourself. The super easy batch here. And honestly, if I were going to do this, I think I would probably go ahead and add maybe a shopping cart even on this side and turn it into something where you have all of the different embellishments on there, all the different things, like putting that in the shopping cart. I've got to get the bottom of it. Funny, funny. And then putting the bottle of wine in there. Super cute. And nothing says that you can't put a birthday cake in there, because it's just silly and fun, right? So anyway, I love this fold. I always do. And I think that there are a million more things that you could do with this, and I have just barely begun to scratch the surface. I appreciate you all watching, and I hope that you have a great weekend. Goodbye.